In this problem, we're required to differentiate the following function. So we have 3.1, which is y is equals to 3 to the power x squared plus 6x. And we have y is equals to ln of square root of x squared plus 1 over x minus 1. So let's start with the first one and let's see what is the blueprint here, right? So the blueprint here on the first question is that you have y is equals to a to the u, right? Y prime of this is equals to a to the u ln of a multiplied by u prime, right? That's what we need to do without even applying logarithmic differentiation on this question. So in this case, you have y is equals to 3 to the power x squared plus 6x, and y prime of this is equals to 3x squared plus 6x, and then ln of 3, right? And then multiply by the derivative of the inside. Maybe we can put everything in brackets just to separate it. The derivative of x squared plus 6x is 2x plus 6. So that's the answer to the first question. I've applied the blueprint that I've created in order to solve these kind of problems, right? Fairly simple. Maybe just for a peace of mind, what's another way of applying solving this? This is y is equals to 3 to the power x squared plus 6x, and then you can lean on both sides, right? Lean of 3 to the power x squared plus 6x, and then ln of y is equals to x squared plus 6x. You know the logarithmic rules. And then ln of 3, right? Okay, y prime of this, it's 1 over y dy over dx equals to x squared plus 6x. The derivative of that, need to derive, this is 2x plus 6, and then multiply by ln of 3, doesn't change, it's just a constant. Then we're going to multiply both sides by y, multiply both sides by that y, and then dy over dx, it's equals to what? It's equals to 2x plus 6 multiplied by ln of 3 multiplied by just y. Then this is equals to what? What is our y? We rewrite the function that we started with as it is. So this is 2x plus 6 multiplied by ln of 3 multiplied by y as it is. This is 3 to the power x squared plus 6x as it is. So this is our dy over dx. So it does still give us the same answer as we begin with. So you can see that this function here, yes, it's not arranged the same way as the other one, but it is essentially the same thing. Right, so it is this step. So whichever method you're comfortable with, you can just do it, right? I think the blueprint simplifies your life. It's just a matter of remembering it, how it is, so that it can simplify your life. Okay, right, let's go on to the second problem and let's see what we need to do. So the secret with the second problem is that whenever you're given a problem with a square root, you need to always convert the square root into an exponent. So on the second problem, you are given y is equals to ln of square root of x squared plus 1 over x minus 1. Right, I'm going to show you how to simplify this problem. So this is, of course, this is 3.2. So the first step here is that you need to say y is equals to ln of what? How can we simplify this square root? This is x squared plus 1 all over x minus 1 all to the power 1 over 2, right? So that's that. And then what can we do with this 1 over 2? Remember, ln of x to the n is the same as n ln of x. So remember that law, always very useful. Y is equals to 1 over 2 ln of x squared plus 1 over x minus 1. But do we need to apply quotient rule here? No, not really, because we also have another law that says ln of x over y is equals to ln of x minus ln of y. So we need to apply this law. So y is equals to 1 over 2. I'll put a big bracket. And then this is ln of x squared plus 1 minus ln of x minus 1, right? So I've applied the laws here, and then I've applied this law. So now I've applied that law. What is the blueprint for solving logarithmic differentiation question with ln of x? So you know that y is equals to ln of any function that's inside, and then y prime is equals to u prime all over u as it is. And then this is the key to solving this kind of function. So this makes it very easy for us to solve this question. So y prime of 1 over 2, leave that 1 over 2 is a constant. Then what happens here? What is the derivative of x squared plus 1? It's 2x over x squared plus 1 minus, what is x minus 1? It's 1 over x minus 1, right? So yeah, that's how we solve this question. Fairly simple. The most important thing, understanding your log rules, is very key in solving questions that involve logarithmic functions and exponential functions. Is very key to understand your logarithmic equations or your log rules, right? Okay, I hope this class or this video benefited you in understanding this kind of stuff. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and share the video. If you have any question that you want me to respond to, leave a comment below. Thank you very much.